Depending on the Trutex skirt you are buying, some skirts are designed to be worn on the hip and others worn on the waist. Regardless of style, you will need the same measurement when selecting the right size for your child. You will need two measurements for Trutex skirts: your child's waist and the desired length of skirt. For the waist, wrap the tape measure around their natural waistline, usually the smallest part of your child's torso, and a couple of centimetres above their tummy button. This is sometimes higher than you think, and normally higher than where the skirt will actually sit. Next, you'll need to measure the desired length. Measure from where the top of the skirt will sit to where you would like the skirt length to finish. Top tip: use the age guides on the Trutex size charts to help choose the right size for your child. You can browse the size guides on the Trutex website.